Hello, I'm Chef Jennifer Booker, the owner and executive chef of Your Resident Gourmet. And today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker shrimp. You will need garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, salt, seasoned salt, cooked pasta, celery, diced tomatoes, shrimp, and onions. You'll start with a bit of olive oil in your pan. Next, we'll add our celery, our onions, our shrimp, give it a stir, add our diced tomatoes, and finally, our cooked pasta. Give it a stir, and then we'll add our spices. Garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Give it a stir. Let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. And this is what our finished product will look like. And I'm Chef Jennifer Booker, the owner of Your Resident Gourmet. And this is how you make a dish using shrimp and pasta noodles.